What do you do, JJONSOME? We back with another video today. That Protect, man. Slimedude2003. Man, this sound like a gamer tag, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Xbox gamer tag, PlayStation gamer tag. I'm not gonna lie. Having a tag like this, hey, you might drop someone off with a gamer tag like this. You pull up on them, boy. You know, you die from Slimedude2003 in a COD lobby. I'm not gonna be that mad about it. You know, I'm gonna be like fairs. You know, I'm gonna be like fairs because it's fine. But Protect, man, I've been messing with his music for a minute now. You know, I'll say he's making good motion, more of a natural come on to the scene. Obviously, Bruce played a part into it. Like, they kind of coexisted together, but he still has his own shine, bro. I love seeing that. Good thing Bruce a good ball hog. It caught on. The internet knows about it. You know, hey, cool collective. I don't really know what they really do for real, but hey, they're making motions and they're making noise, bro. That's fire. You're making noise. You're doing something right, you know? But yeah, bro. Good artist right here, man. I mess with it. But let's get into it. Without further ado, Slimedude2003. Be crazy.
Money.
Like shit, I put up for hours before a day. Shut up, school, yeah, how about it? I was here, my check here, I'm so brave, yeah, you know I'm fed up, so how would you get away? I love her smash, she pop out, she swag, no ass sticking, knocked out, we don't play, yeah, she throw that wish, box out, oh yeah, real push, you can't crack out, get no credit, yeah, pair we have out,
Ooh, like he. Hey, I'm telling you, I know he has some like really good wordplay there. Yeah, she throw that wimp, she box out. Oh yeah, she throw that wimp, she boxing out. Like, she boxing out on defense, and she like, hey, you see, I like that. You don't see that. I never heard that before. You know, that's what I appreciate.
You know the check on with the fight. You know they had the gym to side. Don't be an offense.
Yeah, like Rhino, you got that Rhino type. You gotta catch it.
In the back, how cake in the back. You got all these guns in the blazers. Just so I can rest in my bed. Stop playing my head like a game. I'ma shoot like a pistol like shit. I put up for hours, sleep for a day. Shut out school, yeah, how about it? I was here, my check here, I'm so brave, yeah, you know I'm fed up, so how would you get away? I love her smash, she slay, no ass sticking, knocked out, we don't play, yeah, she throw that wish, box out, oh yeah.
Good first song right there, bro. But that's a real spill. You know I was gonna dunk, so why would you get in my way? For real though, like, dude, you knew I was about to take a dub. You knew I was about to take a W. You got in the way. Why, bro? Why would you do that, man? You knew I was about to take a dub. You trying to get in front of me for what, bro? You supposed to be bros, man. It's crazy. You gotta watch out for niggas like that, bro. You know I was going to dump, bro. Let me get my shine real quick, man. Oh.
I know everything about you.
Fire. Slimedude.
you, Ronnie. If you not ball hog, then die.
Got racks on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my double cup. I don't wanna live on. They right there, I'ma live. You better watch this fire on. Everybody hit that hoe. Why they trippin'? That they going. I don't know plays all month. All you need to go back home. Ball big for life, you should know that, it's my bones. Ball big for life, you should know that, it's my bones.
Be crazy.
I'm going up, I gotta watch you, I don't be jealous. I don't like what hang out with, she think my nigga fellas. I wake up, get high all day, swear I feel like heaven. I should move when I walk in the room, I feel like 11. I hate life when I'm not with you, it feel like Armageddon. I ain't crack, I'm on it.
I make shit move when I walk in the room. I feel like 11.
Section, buy cash, bring it back, Bob, I ain't stressing.
If you not ball hog, then die.
Got racks on the way, yeah. I packs on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my double cup. I don't wanna live long. They right there, I'ma live. You better watch this fire on.
Hey, fire. Like, none too crazy. I haven't heard anything like, oh my god, like, this is fire. Rock Trench was really good so far.
I'm in the bedroom counting them nuts. I need my rush, I'm down for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run from the yacht. Pinpoint location, we gon' get the drop. I haven't drank, what the fuck is a drop? Rocket slow, got the racks on the couch. Fall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke at the ounce. Hop in that Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still in the south. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many dots, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the joy, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit at your crib, we gon' camp at your house. You voice check, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the race, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drink the fridge, it's cooling down. Way so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red. I saw that vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to a tag.
Yeah, that check, I gotta take that out.
Split drink on Cuba, it's got me upset. Plus, I re-up, I reply with black. I poured a motherfucking drink like a kid. I feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig, she wanna do kid? I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Drink, I'm gon' throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said. It's no one else, we gon' stop on their head. I put you on, you won't give me no credit. I'm in the bedroom, counting them nuts. I need my rush, I'm down for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run for the yacht. Pinpoint location, we gon' get the drop. I haven't drank, what the fuck is a drop? Rocket slow, got the racks on the couch. Fall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke at the ounce. Hop in that Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still in the sound. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many dots, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the joy, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit at your crib, we gon' camp at your house. You voice check, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the race, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cooling down. Way so tall, it look like
Drinking the fridge is cooling down.
I saw that vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to a tag. I'm in the air when I'm booted over eggs. Split drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus, I re-up, I reply with black. I poured a motherfucking drink like a kid. Feel like a deer, I walk with the dead.
Why look, he just gave that nigga a bar, bro. I said Drake in the fridge is cooling down as the gun is too hot. So he's cooling down. But he said drink in the fridge. Nope.
Figure she wanna do kid. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Trigger gon' throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Low-key a new sound from dude. I never heard rap like this before. Or maybe I'm not tapped in enough. Could be wrong. But yeah, this is Tech, my boy Tech. I didn't know he had it like that with this one, bro. I'm gonna be real with you. Nah, that boy got bars. Flow is crazy too. deep tech. I sound like a monster. Alright, nigga.
Alien as fuck. Lunch or something. The fuck up, Chris. Chop it, buzz it. I get a cash out, drink, cash out, regular, touch it. We pussy, you pussy, rush it. I said, yeah, you have other money. Marathon, all the time I run it. I be jumping from under the sun. I'm a sweet and pour on my concession. I got hammer on me like Bugs Bunny. I stay with some land like I stay. Yeah, I stay with some land like shots. Drive, score, and fuck college. I think I'm doing what you bought. Baby, we cheap, I don't drive that Impala. All my strong, I won't fuck it each one. But pussy, these stones in my neck like a problem. Drinking my first like I move with the doctor. I get chop it, buzz it. I get a cash out, drink, cash out, regular, touch it. We pussy, you pussy, rush it. I said, yeah, you have other money. Marathon, all the time I run it. I be jumping from under the sun. I'm a sweet and pour on my concession. I got hammer on me like Bugs Bunny. I stay with some land like I stay.
What? I'm telling you, like, I messed with Protect, but I didn't really like. I did. I'm not gonna say I didn't, but I was like, he's whatever. I'll listen to someone else.
She on her way. She say that she wanna make up.
I heard
I
this
can
before,
tell it's
but I'm
finna
gonna let
fuck
it
with
play.
they up. No, I ain't thinking about it like the blunt up. Niggas talking down, but I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like a layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Fin had the whole crowd fucking turned up. Fin had the whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk. She wanna stay on her. She
I feel
wanna
like
wear my
performing this would be fire.
Red on the van,
crazy.
escape. Hell no, you can't get in, you too late. How about 100,000, okay. Tried out of college, I couldn't stay. But I hope I'll jump like a rave. They say let's try underground cave. We're going to Junior, yeah, you know I'm mixing flavors. Hit that hoe, go by my daylight, baby, see you later. Fin break out my little chef and break out like cicada. I know they watching me, they try to see what I made up. I'm feeling to show these niggas why I'm the greatest. Look at my fans, got the whole crowd jumping. I'm sorry I popped this in, it's making it hard to stand. Get off your knees and hands, you can do it until you can. I just tell my mind that I fucking hate it. I don't think we gon' work cause you too basic. We fin hoop game, yeah, we fin lace it. I got a show in the morning, hope I make it. I got a show in the morning, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. She say that she on her way. She say that she wanna make up. I can tell this finna fuck my day up. No, I ain't thinking about it like the blunt up. Niggas talking down, but I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like a layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Fin had the whole crowd fucking turned up. Fin had the whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk.
These beats are insane. And they're so like weird and like electronical. I don't know. Something about them. I like them. And the way they set up the beats, like it's so odd, but it like fits. Speaking of the whole crowd jump, bro, you know what made me happy, man? You know what really made me happy? I didn't go to Rolling Loud, but I was watching the videos of the concerts, and I saw the Protect set, and bruh, I was happy to see how much love he got, bro. I really was, bro. That was a cool. He had that, like, bro. It's always good to see, you know, these artists perform, because that's when you're gonna tell if they really got that influence, if they really got that oomph, based on how that crowd goes, bro. Hey, crowd. I like to say, hey, crowd don't lie, bro. Crowd don't lie. And maybe mess with him a little bit more when I seen that set. I was like, nah. you hard. I already knew that, but I'm like, yeah. Just on fire. Like it kind of clicked more for me. I'm like, yep, this is it. Yeah, bro. 3-4. Save yourself bass beat.
You've tried everything. Not yet. I have one more card to play.
I'ma drive down with 2 guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. And the spaceship cool like Elon. My song on ball like Dion. With a bad with 21. Got a big ass glide like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter. She'll follow me, trap by her new ones. Lost on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamara. You sit back green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon. Cold and buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna my speed on. Got change, so I feel like Leon.
I love Leon.
I'ma drive down with 2 guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. And the spaceship cool like Elon. My song on ball like Dion. With a bad with 21. Got a big ass glide like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter. She'll follow me, tell by her new ones. Lost on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamara. He sippin' green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon.
So
Cold and buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a rap.
Hey, she don't fuck with me. I can tell by her nuance. You're like, bro, like a lot of days, bro. You know what really gets to me sometimes? Niggas that can't take a hint, bro. Like, you gotta be comfortable with yourself to handle rejection, or like, they be like, hey, bro, she don't fuck with me, bro. You can just tell, bro. Niggas be like, I don't know if she does it. Bro, you know, bro. You know. If people be like, I don't know if she likes me or not, bro. You gonna know if she likes you or not, bro. Like, hey, you know, you're gonna know, alright? For real, though. She don't fuck with me. I can tell by her nuance, bruh.
Put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna get my speed on. Got change, so I feel like Leon. He said trap music, bitch.
I like the punchlines in this one. Inspiring, you know. Video game nigga myself. So. Sports. One thing I noticed though, he does a lot of basketball punchline.
I get a bitch, she will cut it. It's so loud, it's scope, yeah. Got that real kick shit, you heard? Flex up on the road.
9-9. Oh my god, such a good producer. Boy, retired low key.
Picturing myself in that sunrise. Energy that we feel. Proof that I don't need you. But you drink on feed you. Drive high as when I see you. That's my house and real. My little rush, talk like Kelly. It's gonna make you shine, pay no care. Yeah, slime dudes, 2003. I'm a slime dude. I get a bitch, he will cut it. It's so loud, it's go
If you're not ball hog, then die.
flex up on the road.
Sounds like that play for Cardi. Push up. Push up.
I get a bitch, he will cut it. It's so loud, it's go flex up on the
If you're
road.
not ball hog, then die.
We said hoes, yeah, we said convoys.
This is really good, bro.
Look at how many times you made no noise.
Yeah, this bitch got bars.
Por ese policial.
I need a reset. I need a reset. I wanna play and I wanna be jet. see me, I rap my shit. 10K for a show, I count a bitch. Stuck on the wall, like a flyer. I get so high, turn to a crier. Said you had my bag, you a liar. I can't get out of bed, I'm so tired. How I gonna miss set a fire? All I wanna do is fire. But they hate on me for a high look. That shit turned me to a hider, but I can't be no hider. That's why I creep like a spider. First seat, yeah, I'm the driver. Make sure we get her safer. If someone else drove this, feel like my heart, he wrote it. Got it going with, he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving no thought of dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset. I need a reset. How about a plane? How about a bitch?
Bro, this could be a high thought, but what if you really read some of these lyrics, bro, it sounds like a Dr. Seuss book, for real. Like, what if he dropped a book? Oh, this would be like a good, like, album rollout or, like, cool art for artists. Instead of dropping a music video, you drop an illustration book. So you play the song and you gotta read the book along with the song. And then you're pretty much watching the full illustration of it. But it's a collectible because you have it as a book. So you could be like, nah, I have the book of so-and-so. Nah, you got that. Nah, give me that. How much? Nah, there's only 2 or 2 though. So, damn, you gotta maybe give me 10,000 for that, or 1,500 or 500, you know? Yo, someone gotta take that idea, bro. No cap. Some probably already did that, I bet. There's no way. But yeah, that last music. Bro, these beats are like, they're not bad, but it's just like, the beats are kind of like when people scratch on, like, I don't know. They make that sound like styrofoam crinkling, and it's just like, it's like cringy, like, I don't know, bro.
I switch to rice and cheese, let's chat, I get the blue and the green. Say she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2,000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like you're green. Everyone watching, let's chat like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Why brother like us Reeves? Catch y'all out, I'm making them leave. I'm on your TV like a grudge. Y'all on me like I'm fudge. Shout out, it's 130 above. Shout out, it's 130 above. I switch to rice and cheese, let's chat, I get the blue and the green. Say she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2,000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like you're green. Everyone watching, let's chat like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Why brother like us Reeves? Catch y'all out, I'm making them leave. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Y'all on me like I'm fudge. Shout out, it's 130 above. Shout out, it's 130 above.
Something about, like, based off that song in itself, I could kind of tell that, like, this project is, like, something more, like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. That song was, like, not a throwaway song, but, like, a song is like, oh, shit. Like, it sounds crazy. Like, this isn't my best work, but, like, I'm gonna put this on just because it's, like, the beat is crazy and, like, bro, no one else is having this beat too. Yo, yeah, this is my shit. You feel me? And, like, threw that on there, and he had fun on it. You feel me? It's funny. But yeah, bro, that's something. That one was something, bro. I could just be out.
yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. Yeah, I saw all this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered. I was misfit. You came better all the time, he got 6 cents. Just top on my money, now I'm 6'10". My little cousin called me just to 67. I didn't hit a job, I'm so ratchet. All you got is up, we could match it. Brand new man for my Glock, I attach it. If she throw that ass, I'm gon' catch it. I sold up round, yeah, it look rancid. Find yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. I saw roll this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered.
You know what I realized, bro? Like, I don't think rappers always like this, but this song just gave off like a little kid's book. Like you're opening up a little kid's book. You know, obviously you can read it. It's easy to understand, but it's with like more growing activities referenced in the book. You know, you don't. This is a book you just read through. You just vibe out to it, man. You don't need to think too much on it. It's the vibe, bro. It sounds good. So when people say they don't understand the appeal of this type of music, I'm like, bro, you just don't understand music. And I know it's like, bro, like no way you came to this realization just from this song. You know, and, yay, I did, bro. And I feel like you gotta view it with the open book for real. It sounds good. It's a cool vibe. Not everything needs to make sense. You feel me? You don't want it. But that was a good song. What was it? Last of Us? Oh, no. A skater. Last of Us. Kind of spoiled that sample, I guess.
I'm affiliate. New number, you get green text. Power to collect down text. I ain't even hit my prime yet. I ain't even hit my slime yet. I really done lost my mind now. I ain't take a chill pill. Die for me, so I know it's real. Slide for me, so I know it's real. Hit on yo, confirm the kill. SRT, where that will. Hop on, big black trunk. Hop on, big black trunk. Brand new pole clutch. Hit your house out what? It's only me, my brothers. It's the last of us. Come down, I did Addy. I'm dead. She said that I drove my car too long, too fast. All these drugs, I don't get no fuck. I don't get no fuck, yeah. Zombie mode, yeah, fucking dead. Zombie mode, I eat brain on the head of wings. Scratch off on the fence. I know you gon' switch, make it quick, go ahead. Bullshit, disease, the spread.
I fuck with that, bro. I like The Last of Us. Low-key. Ooh, if you really think about it, he low-key snapped on this. A lot of the zombie references. It's only me and my brothers. It's The Last of Us. He's almost talking about him, you know, rapping, living this lifestyle. It's only him and his brothers, bro. You feel me? It's like disease. He's spreading the ball hog movement, bro. You know, that's why I think that's why I mess with a lot of collectives, because it's a cool thing they got going on, and especially for ball hog, because it's more natural. You know, they're not like bodying it. You know, like trying to just rush it. I don't know how to explain it. You know, it's a natural like upbringing. Which, yeah, I like that. I like that. Keep it organic. You feel me? Everything's gonna come after. You don't want it. Pretty cool, bro. Pretty cool album, dude. I think I messed with the project a little bit more. It's the silly sample.
Shining, money stack taller than he on me. Bitch, give her brain and a scholarly. Big ass Draco in it, bitch hollering. Bad bitch, Instagram, follow me. Bad hoe on the ground, swallowing. Wanna be a ball hog, follow me. These nigga music suck, honestly. Money different colors like a tapestry. Tryna get paid like an athlete. Spend my money on expensive clothes. Shot a hoodie, yeah, bitch, I'm eerie. Staying on, ain't no point of falling off. Bragging high, hater, I ain't calling off. I'm a ball hard, niggas fear me. I'm a ball hard, nigga, clearly. Oh my God, you gon' do it. Let me know when it happen, so I can be a part of this. You wasn't here when we started this. How the fuck is you gon' be a part of this? We got big bullets, try to hit a nigga. You could make an impact, just do it, nigga. I was fucking gas, how to get up. I was hoping that someone found me. I be posted up where the house be. Diamonds on my neck, I be trying to need me. Why these niggas tryna clown me? Probably cause they don't got money. I was down when you found me. Now I'm up and I'm shining, nigga.
No, I'm up and I'm shining. He slid. He slid though.
Jacob, I love you. I love you.
It sounds like a YouTube beat for sure, bro. I feel like he got that off YouTube. No way. Ooh, Diamond? Sure, I might play that after I end this up real quick. But yep. That was Protect, Slimedude2003. Pretty cool album. I messed with it. I did. It was a fun album. Seems like something you put on, you chill, you lay down, cool vibe. Maybe even play a video game with it playing in the background. Why not? Why not? But yeah, bro, let me know what you guys think. And like always, y'all boys like and subscribe to y'all boys in the next one.